This is the Padua Podcast Network.
Do not try this at home, people. I'm a professional. This is a closed course. Running a Fever, episode 136, new Abeo walking shoes. Welcome to the show. Today, I have an injury and I'm not going to be doing some walking at least for a few days. So I thought it'd be a good time to go to the fashion department and give you a little overview on some new equipment that I have. I got a new pair of walking shoes. Why am I getting new walking shoes? Well, took a walk about a week ago or so. Feet were really sore. I had a lot of pain in my feet. And I noticed that the soles on my Brooks Adrenaline running shoes are getting pretty thin, which is understandable because I put several hundred miles of walking on them outdoors in all kinds of weather over the last more than a year. I actually bought them in December of 2017, which, by the way, you can go and actually relive that experience if you want to, actually in the store, my gait analysis and picking out the shoes and everything at Rush Running, which is a store nearby. That's in episode 20, over 100 episodes ago. So that kind of gives you an idea of how long these shoes have been in service. These shoes have done their duty. It's time for them to go into semi-retirement and probably be used as lawn mowing shoes or something along those lines. So I needed new walking shoes. Now, the last year, the last few months, I have been very utilitarian and very economical about my clothing choices and my equipment choices because although I needed to be safe and healthy, I also basically had to buy an entire new wardrobe because of the physical changes that I have been through. So this year, I want to be more intentional and buy clothes that are higher quality and better in all ways, basically, but importantly, built for the purpose for which I'm going to use them specifically. And so I set out to get some new walking shoes because I don't run. These are running shoes. I do some other things, but walking is one of the primary things that I do, and I do a lot of it, even though I don't do it as often as I used to. I still go out and walk 5.5 miles once or twice a week. I need some new walking shoes, so I found these shoes by perusing the Walking Company website, which is a link below on YouTube. It'll be in the show notes. And the links to this specific shoe will also be on the shop page of runningafever.com/shop, where you can buy all kinds of things there. And because they're affiliate links, you help the show when you buy them without paying any more. The Walking Company, based on the name, you can probably figure out that they're devoted to selling walking shoes and other accessories, including orthotic footbeds, socks, and things of that nature that might help you in walking. I checked that out and I found this shoe and I was particularly attracted to it because they're pretty good looking. They're on sale, so they were like 37% off or something crazy like that. I got them for $79. And they also include, free of charge, an orthotic footbed. So I'm hoping they'll be very good for my feet. Here are some of the features of the Abeo Active walking shoe from the website.
Enjoy the increased flexibility, support, and lightweight comfort of the men's Abeo Active. This athletic style features a lightweight injected EVA midsole for added arch support with built-in cloud crash pad in the heel for flexibility, shock absorption, and comfort. It has strategically placed flex zones for forefoot flexibility and traction, breathable knit upper with synthetic suede overlays for added durability, sock-like construction with a lace-up closure for a customized fit, plus a breathable knit lining. Abeo Light 2.0 advanced lightweight technology delivers ultimate comfort and support, and a molded rubber outsole provides maximum traction. The Active also includes the Abeo 3D Cubed Core Support Orthotic, custom fit to your feet, using advanced digital scan technology for increased all-day support and comfort.
Thank you, Michael Davis, michaeldavisvoiceover.com, if you like that voice. I got the package, just got it today, a little while ago. Without further ado, why don't we go ahead and take a look. Customize your comfort. All right, that shoe, this box looks like it's been through quite a lot here. All right, there it is. That's the color I chose. It's a nice blue. Nice stringy strings, sock-like construction, a beautiful white sole, which I'm sure will not be white for very long, as I plan to put another several hundred miles on this shoe this year, hopefully. And also here is the included orthotic footbed Core Sport. Now I got a 10.5 size here. That's my actual shoe size. When I bought the running shoes, they told me to get a full size larger than my regular size. So I got an 11.5 there. So here is the orthotic footbed, which I'm hoping will really make it nice and comfy for my feet. And although the product description said that they were no color, they're actually blue. So they match the shoe. And that even rhymes. I can't believe that. So I promised a test and initial review. So let's put them on. Well, got them on. They feel pretty good. They're new shoes, so they're kind of different, but I can tell that the top of them is this nice, stretchable, breathable cloth. I do feel a little pressure on the outsides, but that's, I mean, my feet are kind of sore right now because of what I've been doing, and I've actually got an Achilles tendon injury of some kind. Doesn't seem to be major, but I promised a test, so I thought we should probably do the intended purpose of these shoes, and that is walking. So I'm actually going to walk now. Do not try this at home, people. I'm a professional. This is a closed course. Do not try this at home. Excuse the limp. I told you about the injury I have, so I'm limping just a little bit, but they feel okay. I'm still feeling a little soreness in my foot, so hopefully that's not the shoe and it's just left over from all the abuse that my feet have seen recently. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a kind of a daring choice, fashion choice. Brand new brand, brand new store I've never heard of, so more to come. But for now, I mean, definitely like the way they look. They fit well, and so we'll just have to see how they perform when we get to the really hardcore long walks that we have ahead. And I'm going to spend some time breaking them in, so I think I need to do that too before I go out on a really long walk. But I'm definitely going to do that in the coming days, and hopefully in another week or so, I'll be healed. My Achilles tendon will be healed, and the shoes will be broken in, and we'll go out on a beautiful walk on another beautiful day in Lake Fayetteville. So I hope you've enjoyed this first unboxing and first view of my new walking shoes. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching on YouTube. If you got the fever, keep it. If you don't have it, go out and get it, and I'll talk to you next time on Running a Fever.